Hey everybody. Sorry I'm going to be missing you this week. I am out in Lock Haven for PSSA testing with the middle school students, but you have a few assignments to do this week. The first one is Lesson 18 on the job skills. You are going to watch a video called Skills to Pay the Bills, and then answer a few questions, and then you're going to do a little vocab using another website. So those are your two main assignments this week. Then you're going to have this career cluster survey. And I thought I'd just take a few minutes to show you what that survey looks like and how to fill it out. So you're not confused, especially since I won't be around to help you. I might be back in the office Thursday or Friday if you have trouble. So do try and message me and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. All right, so the career cluster survey. First of all, print it out, put your name at the top and the date. No need to put the school. I know what school you go to. And then you're going to go through a bunch of boxes and you're going to read what is there. The first box is activities that describe what I like to do. So you'll circle all of the activities that you like to do. And then in the next box, you'll see personal qualities that describe me. Am I self-reliant, a nature lover, physically active, a planner, creative problem solver? And then the last box, school subjects that I like. So you circle the school subjects that you like. And then you add up you count all of the ones that you circled and put that number in this box right here. And then you'll do that for each one of these boxes. So there are 7 boxes total, I think. Oops. Oh no, sorry. There are 16 boxes total. But it won't take you that long. It should take you maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes. Because some of the stuff you're going to skip over, right? You're not necessarily going to like it, so you're just going to move on through it. And then you're going to see these clusters down here. And the box number, the number on the side here, it relates to the box up here. So box 9 relates to career cluster number 9, hospitality and tourism. So the ones that you score the highest on are going to be your top 3 career clusters. And you'll see in the box to the right, it gives you a description of some of the things that you might be interested in doing if you are interested in that career cluster. So again, really quickly, circle all the things that you like and then count the things that you circled and put the number in the box. And then go ahead and on to box 2. Do all of the boxes, 16 total. And then your top 3, the ones with the highest number in this box, the 3 highest numbers are going to go down here. My top 3 career cluster of interest. And then you're going to scan it and upload it to this assignment. That's your project for this week. And like I said, don't hesitate to text me or Schoology message me. I will be online in the evenings to check and see if you need help, but I won't be back in the office to actually meet you in the drop-in center until Thursday or Friday. But I will keep you posted. And good luck. Have a great week.